I know I told you that I had gone to Merced, and I wanted to show you the new camera that I got. It's an SJCAM. It's kind of a kickoff of a GoPro, but a whole lot cheaper. Anyway, and then I also got, I don't know if you can see or not, it's a holder, sorry, but it also makes into a little tripod. I don't know how well you can see that. But anyway, so I went to Merced and I got, I got the material to make a couple of quilt projects that I'm working on. And I don't know what I did wrong, and I'm hoping I'm doing this right. But let me take you in there. Ooh, got dark. Anyway, it didn't record, so I'm kind of starting in the middle of a project. But I'll tell you what I did. When you buy material, you have to prepare it, and what I mean by that is wash it, because colors bleed, and if you build somebody a quilt and the first time they wash it they call you and say, hello, the quilt faded all of the colors into each other. Like, should have washed it first, because there's not a whole lot you can do about it after it has bled all over itself, so to speak. So the best thing to do is wash the material as soon as you get it home. Don't cut it, don't do anything, just wash it. That stops the bleeding, that takes care of the shrinking, because it also doesn't look very nice to build a quilt and have them wash it and then it all goes, you know how when you wash jeans and they kind of crinkle all up. Yeah, so that's the theory behind that, and that's what I do. So the material is all dry, and so usually what I do after I get the material washed and machine dried, I just fold it back up. Well, if I'm going to start working on it right away, then I iron it, and somebody with some really loud music, iron it, lay it out, and start cutting. If I'm not going to cut it right away or start working on it right away, I just fold it right back up so it stays as smooth as it can. It always helps to have nice flat material when you're cutting. So it's going on 10.